turns out that my clutch was actually, it still had pressure on my pressure plate, so I actually had to hammer the pin to get it out of the clutch pedal. But it's all loosened up now, and there's it's free, so I think we're safe. I'm gonna do a couple more of these pulls for you guys, and yeah, I just gotta make sure it's not gonna slip anymore. Probably gonna piss these people off, but I need to do something. You guys know that first event is Saturday, so ought to be ready for it, and going in with a slipping clutch is not the way to do it. I think we're safe. It seems to be fine now, and those are full throttle pulls, so I don't see why it wouldn't be okay. I hope this point of view is working for you. It's kind of it's new. I know I had a lot of people telling me that they wanted me to do it like this, but yeah, well, I think it's working out. I think we're doing good. I think I scared the shit out of those people that were like intersecting with me, because they didn't even pull out into the road until I was like a half mile away. It's kind of wild. Listen, not having a sway bar is not so bad. I think we're good. I don't want to like really push my engine too hard. I know that every one of you guys see my videos and I'm like literally beating the living shit out of this poor thing every time I'm in it. But I mean, I gotta prove a point, and reliability is a pretty big factor in stock block 2JZ. And I mean, I'm pretty much proving what these things can really do. Like, I really do not, I'm not nice to this. You guys obviously can see that. I literally am the meanest person to this poor thing. But I did check my compression the other day, 170 PSI across every cylinder. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty damn satisfied with that. But if that doesn't prove reliability of these things being a stock block GE from an SE300, slapped with like all the boost, I don't know what does. Guys, well, this video is going to be pretty short. Probably going to put a lot of the, you know, I got some talking in here. Let me just take this off and I'll talk to you guys directly. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this. It's my first point of view video, I think there might be another one, but it's kind of shitty. This one's actually really nice since I'm able to set up widescreen and everything, so you guys can actually see how fast I'm really going. So the speed is actually there. I was checking out some of the clips that I got the other day, and it actually does, it looks crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hit the like button if you like it, comment, let me know what you think of the point of view. Let me know if you want some more of these, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.